Hieroglyphs, the sacred writing of ancient Egypt, were far more than simple symbols carved into stone. Each sign carried both sound and meaning, blending language, art, and spirituality. Priests and scribes meticulously recorded history, honored the gods, and guided souls through the afterlife using these sacred symbols. Temples and tombs glowed with inscriptions telling stories of pharaohs, epic battles, and the cosmic order of the universe. Every carving reflected centuries of knowledge, devotion, and ritual practice. The discovery of the Rosetta Stone centuries later revealed the secrets of this ancient writing, connecting the modern world to the wisdom of the past. Even today, hieroglyphs captivate scholars and enthusiasts alike, standing as a bridge between humans and the divine, a testament to the Egyptians' pursuit of knowledge, ritual, and eternal life.